What's up everybody? Today's video is going to be about what the Pythagorean Theorem is and then how you can use it to solve for the sides of triangles. So the Pythagorean Theorem is a formula that you use to figure out this different side lengths of triangles. So if you have and it has to be for right triangles, which means the triangle has a right angle. So like this is a right angle. And so then you're trying to find these three sides. So there's A, B, and C. And then C is always the longest side, which is the opposite of this right angle. See how this is on the opposite side. And so the formula that is the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And so if you ever have a triangle and you have two of the sides and you're trying to find the third, you can plug them in for these different variables and figure out what it is. So now we're going to look at some examples of when you would use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the different sides of a triangle. So as you see in this first one, you're missing this one side, so we're going to try to figure out what it is. Since this is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side across from this right angle, that's going to be C. So you're going to have, as you remember, the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So you're going to plug these in. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. So then you're going to solve for C, so you're going to do some algebra. You have 9 plus 16 equals C squared. So 15 equals C squared. And then you're going to do that square root, and then C is going to equal 5. So then the length of this side is 5. And so that's how you solve for the length of that side, that is C. So for the next one, you can see that we don't have this side here. And so we're essentially going to do the same thing by plugging this into the same formula and it'll give out your side. But this isn't C because it's not the longest side, so you can either plug it in for A or B. So the equation is going to look like 6 squared plus x squared equals 10 squared. So then once again you're going to solve for your variable and then you'll find out the length of this side. So this is 36 plus x squared equals 100. So then you're going to subtract your 36, subtract your 36, so then you have 64 equals x squared, and then you take that square root, x is going to turn out to be 8. So then you know that this side length is 8. So that's how you use the Pythagorean theorem, by plugging in the two sides that you do know of a right triangle, and then plugging it into this formula to figure out what is that third side length. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you now know how to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is used for solving the side lengths on right triangles. So hope you enjoyed the video.